Hi, it's Lucas here. Today today we have a package from France. Here is the box. I will unboxing it now. Can you? I don't know what's inside, and I know this is very good package because France told me this few times, and I wanna say that this is Sick Twisted Fuck for sure because it was from begin. It was from begin Sick Twisted Fuck, and France got today an email from me, and he know what's happened, but this is not so important. I will open it now, and I think I will do this in two parts. The package is very big. I can say only there will be few hard boxes, maybe a few Blu-rays, few steels, I don't know exactly, maybe few free DVDs, maybe any gift, I don't know, but będziesz musiał pokazać w środku, nie? I will take the camera now. Pokaż. And I wanna show you. Okay, it's recording, no problem. Here we have some papers. As I told you, I wanna do this basically in two parts, and maybe I forgot to say firstly, thanks France for the second swap. I know this will be very good stuff inside your package as always, and I'm just so curious to say to show you and see myself what's here that I wanna go straight to the box. We have some goodies here. This is Harlequin something in Dutch, I don't know this language, but for sure this will be good with this beer. Here are my two friends helping me. I have a letter from France, so I wanna keep this to the finish. We have some nice praline, quality chocolates.
Give me.
These are going to my fella. He will open it very soon. Some bubbles. Open very carefully, so I guess what's inside. But I don't know for sure what related in. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know if this is a DVD or any film. Maybe this is a gift. I don't know, but I will leave this. We have some postcards. Ebola Syndrome, great film. Island of the Damned. This is Sick Twisted Fuck film for sure. This one is too. The guy played in Untold Story first part. He worked in kitchen and he mutilated people and did eat food to restaurant. Oh my, I see already that there is, a mów mi mniej więcej ile czasu, nie? I'm asking my friend how many time
5 minutes.
Because I wanna make first part in 30 minutes, and there I wanna put some intro to it. I already done. Okay, we have beautiful hard box. I don't know how to open it. You see inside there is beautiful artwork on the disc. It's Zombie Before After Death, Italian zombie film, classic from 80s or early 90s, but this was early, I hope this was late 80s. I don't know, this is, yes, this is hard box, probably from German. 81 minutes, Power 2 of course, very beautiful, very beautiful. I want to put all of them here and you want to see on the finish. The DVD tower. Oh, I need a knife to open this, but I need to be very carefully. I did not open my beer yet, but I promise I will do this. I will do this today.
Nice.
I wanna.
Yeah. Nine.
Dobra, catch mnie tutaj. And I wanna watch the movies.
Five drunk.
I wanna just watch those movies as long as I can stay at night awake, because tomorrow I don't go to work. As you see, this package is extremely good package, and I have some problems to open the films without any damage, because this is not impossible to do. Oh, we have very beautiful, this is steelbook.
I drink
Of course.
Danish beer.
Frans, can you tell us, this is from Holland, Netherlands, or Carlsberg? We don't know exactly. I think this is from Denmark, not from Holland. But Tomek say this is
Good
from...
beer.
Look here what I have. Here is Hellraiser Part. Steelbook. This is Dutch release. Mów ile minut.
French.
This is Dutch release. Many extras, as I guess. Beautiful. I want cheers. We put this there and show you the other, because the package is so very good done that I can. Oh, this is film that France liked very much, and this is from Norway. Horror about Nazi zombies. I didn't watch this yet. Beautiful steelbook from Holland, Dutch release. Yes, this is Dutch release. I don't know, maybe 2 discs. Great one. Thank you, buddy, for this. Next I pick up here from the box is, now I can do this quite easy. This is Rambo steelbook, 4th part. Special 2-disc edition with DTS and of course many extras. This is Dutch release too. Very good. I feel this in my hands. This is quite different here from the back, from the side. You see, this is beautiful steelbook. Maybe I wanna open few of them. In the second part, but now I wanna
Rambo jest dzisiaj w telewizji, no i Terminator.
now I wanna quickly open all the box, and we have here hard box. Jäger the Apocalypse. This is Last Man Hunter or something. This is Italian horror with gore scenes inside. X-rated hard box, uncut. I know this one for sure from the past, and it is great because I honestly didn't watch this film yet.
Super movie TV.
Oh, it's fucking hot. I'm sweat all over my body. Yeah, I thought I'm nervous, but probably I'm more curious and excited than nervous. My fella have nose bleeding because he is sick. As I told you, this is sick twisted fuck. Okay, put the knife down. We have 2, this is one Dutch release, German, Dutch release, regular, with back. I don't know this film. Something about...
My friend Thomas searching for a mouse.
Dobra, show me here.
Okay, show must go on, yeah?
Okay, anyway, this is Dutch release, something back, film title is back. Directed from by William Friedkin, maker of the Exorcist.
Cheers.
The next one is Region 1 from US, Blue Underground related, Ghost Galleon from Blind Dead Collection. I need sometimes to ask my fella here.
No masz chłopcze jeszcze 4 minuty.
Okay, because I have still 4 minutes.
For fun.
I have still 4 minutes, buddy, and all of you here watching my beautiful upload and what I received today. And I wanna of course do this into parts, so I can always show you and tell you something
Nice film, Konstantin.
something interesting about those films, what I already know.
Oh, look at
This
here.
is with
a
Keanu
condom.
Reeves Constantine, 2-disc edition, quite heavy. Cheers, buddy. Quite heavy to discuss. Yeah, the film is good. I watched this, some special effects. Quite new film.
Pilnuj pizzy, kurwa.
So this is already good known film. So I don't need to recommend it or more about it. We have lots of film. Maybe I'll put this Batman Stuff Blu-ray. See, this is for This is for film, so I wanna keep this on the second part. My gift is on the cover of this Blu-ray. Her name is something on her. Watch yourself. So I need to be very careful. I think I wanna open this out of camera. Package, this is great. Oh, that means I cannot show you this right now. Man, this package is so big. I cannot believe. Divine Blu-rays or Blu-ray on Divine on Blu-ray. I cannot believe this. So I'm gonna open it. Paczkę też, nie? I'm gonna open this Blu-ray with Divine after my heart attack. But don't show this title here. Writing. This is a movie on Blu-ray as you wanted. I guess I know what you mean, buddy. Of course, I'm showing you now only cellophane. Ile jest? Dwie?
Dwie.
No to mów normalnie.
Tutaj.
Okay, my friend is telling me I have still 2 minutes to close this first part, so I have impossible big quantity stuff here, and I need really to sort this to show you all the stuff in the second part. Here we have very good one. I wanna keep this maybe for now. Batman stuff, this will be later. I wanna open this as I wanna open this late.
Weź tam tylko ten ustaw.
I wanna open this late. Maybe I wanna, no, those both. Maybe I wanna open this now, but I don't know. Very sick twisted pack movie, okay? This I wanna straight open right now. But I cannot, I have no time, so see you again in second part. Cheers.